Banyan Air Service's HondaJet Southeast Department, located at Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport, is home to the most comprehensive HondaJet sales and maintenance operations in the world. Our vast complex houses the dedicated offices of HondaJet Southeast Sales and MRO, where our team of experts is always ready to assist you with all things HondaJet. Michael Gibson, the HondaJet Regional Director for the Southeast USA, is known as the HondaJet Guru. Michael has earned the title of the #1 HondaJet seller in the world, consistently selling more new and used HondaJets globally each year than anyone else. Michael and the Banyan sales team will guide you through every step of your HondaJet experience, from sales and brokerage to maintenance, ensuring you receive unparalleled knowledge and expertise. At Banyan, we understand the unique attributes of the HondaJet. This aircraft boasts an exceptional set of capabilities and an extraordinary maintenance program, setting it apart in the aviation world. Our commitment doesn't end with the sale. Our state-of-the-art HondaJet maintenance hangar is staffed with dedicated technicians who specialize exclusively in HondaJets. We handle everything from warranty work to non-warranty repairs, ensuring your aircraft remains in peak condition. Our maintenance manager walks you through the meticulous care we provide for your HondaJet, explaining every detail of our services and the benefits of trusting Banyan for your aircraft's needs. With Banyan Air Service, you are partnering with the best in the industry. From sales to maintenance, our experience and dedication ensure you get the most of your HondaJet investment. Trust the expert team at Banyan Air Service for all your HondaJet needs.